Okay, dear students, and it is a third part of this lesson, third video of this lesson. This is a conclusion part of this lesson. So, come to the lesson, come to the story of Sri Ramakrishna. Okay, page number 73. Sri Ramakrishna never touched money. Never touched money. Swami Vivekananda once wanted to know what would happen if Sri Ramakrishna touched money. So one day, when Ramakrishna was asleep, he touched him with a coin. Suddenly, Sri Ramakrishna's hand bent and his body appeared to be in great pain. Ramakrishna did not touch any money or any coin, any rupees throughout his life. Here, the money or coins that shows or that represent the physical life of human being. Here, he is a purely a spiritual leader. He avoided all the physical pleasures, physical happiness in his life. The money or coins that represents the physical pleasure or physical happiness of the world. So he never touched money, he avoided the money throughout his life. Sri Ramakrishna never touched money. Swami Vivekananda once wanted to know what would happen if Ramakrishna touched money. So one day when Ramakrishna was asleep, sleeping time, Ramakrishna was sleeping time, he touched with a coin, Narendra or Swami Vivekananda. He took a coin and touched the coin with Ramakrishna's body. Suddenly, Sri Ramakrishna hand bent and his body appeared to be a great pain. Next paragraph. Sri Ramakrishna was known for his great love of truth and his dislike for the pleasure of the world. He looked upon every woman as the divine mother. Sri Ramakrishna was known for his great love of truth. Who was a great follower or great lover of truth? Sri Ramakrishna. That Sri Ramakrishna very much loved the truth and his dislike for the pleasure of the world. He avoided all the pleasure, all the happiness from the world. He looked upon all the women just like a divine mother Kali. Sri Ramakrishna was not satisfied with just giving up the pleasures of the world. He thought that everyone ought to work to make others happy. He advised that. Sri Ramakrishna advised us everyone should work for others. We should give something to others. We should love others. He thought that everyone ought to work. Everyone should work. It's compulsory. Should, must. Everyone worked for to make others happy. Our aim is to make others happy. And so he spent most of his time serving the poor and helping those who were in difficulties. Ramakrishna used most of his time to help the poor people. And he helped the poor people, those who were in difficulties. Till the very end of his life, people flocked around him, seeking advice, wisdom, and peace of mind. Most of the times, a number of people standing around him, the people, they wanted the wisdom, they wanted the advice, they wanted the blessing, they wanted the peace of mind. So the people look forward to Sri Ramakrishna for good advice, good moral advice, and good wisdom, and for blessings. Okay? Every day, Sri Ramakrishna used to spend about 20 hours with visitors. Totally 24 hours. Then out of the 24 hours, around 20 hours, he used his time to meet visitors. But this upset his health. Therefore, Swami Vivekananda and the other disciplines felt that they ought not to allow so many visitors to see him. Due to this hard work, his health became very worse. So Swami Vivekananda, he decided to just limit the visitors. They said, Master, you must not tire yourself like this and neglect your body. They said to his master, they said to Ramakrishna, now you are neglecting your body, your health now, your health condition is not good now. But Sri Ramakrishna did not agree. He replied, I will give up 20,000 such bodies to help one man. There is a great joy in his service. He denied it. He wanted to continue his to meet the visitors. Sri Ramakrishna died in 1886. Note that point, 1886 he was died. But his service did not end with his death. He continues to serve mankind through his followers, and this message brings peace and wisdom to countless men all over the world. But now Ramakrishna is living with his disciplines, with his followers. His followers spread the established the Ramakrishna mission to help the poor people, to educate the young people. And they established a Ramakrishna mission in the various parts of our country, not only in our country, but also in other foreign countries, especially Britain and America. And he continues to serve mankind through his followers. Now also, and he is living in the mind of Indian people, in the mind of poor people. He continues to serve mankind through his followers, and his message brings peace. Ramakrishna's message, if you study the message of Ramakrishna, or if you study the life of that gives us a peace in our mind, the calm in our mind, and wisdom. It gives us a wisdom. That is we will get a continuous blessing from the God. And that will, especially that will change our life. So I advise you to, you should read the life story of Ramakrishna as an Indian student. You must study it. That definitely will motivate you, definitely will inspire you. Ramakrishna mission, study about the Ramakrishna missions, the life of Ramakrishna. One copy, the biography of Ramakrishna, that was available in our school library. After opening the school, you should take the book, and Hindi translation is available. Every student, this is a must read, learn and understand the life of Ramakrishna. As an Indian students, that is our vision, that is our duty, that is our obligations as an Indian children. Okay, so I think that you understand the meaning, understand the only 10% part of Sri Ramakrishna. You must study more and more about the Ramakrishna. That will help for that will give you pleasure in your mind, that will give you peace in your mind. And study the lessons very well, study the and do the home assignments very well. Okay, God bless you. This lesson finished. You must watch this video, 3 videos, and seriously, and do all works regularly in your home. Okay, God bless you. Now I wind up this class. Okay, bye. The next video I will come in front of you with another topic, and the next lesson is the words that you will study in the next video.